Open the Corel Draw. Now go to the new document. Once open, click on the import folder and import the picture that you want to remove the background. So I'll select mine and I click import. Click and drag to place your image. Once done, now to see the effect of this one, I'll color the background blue so that we can see the image very well. So on the toolbar dogs, I'll select the shape tool. So I have to speed up for this and remove the unwanted part of the image that you do not want to see or you do not want. Now that I'm done with it, then you can see that all the backgrounds has been removed, but in the center of it, you see there's a white background there too. I have to remove it. Now in order to remove this white background, I'll go to the tools and select the bezier tool, and then I'll select it and convert them into curves and manipulate them to suit it. Now once I am done, I will select it and color it. And the background is blue, I'll color it blue. So when you deselect it, you will find out that now everything has been removed. Now if you get your image background removed, it's very simple and very useful. If you want to remove the background, if you want to change the colors too, you can also change the colors. When you change the colors to red, you have to know that you have to change that one into red so that you to blend with your color. So that's all.